What's going on, boys and girls? I'm Coach Ben with Swell Training. Today's Sunday, so we're restarting the week and getting our meals prepped. But the first recipe that we're going to be doing is a tilapia brown rice and quinoa. This is a very, very boring dish, but trust me, it tastes way better than it looks. I also added my own little flair to it with the sauces at the end. These are super packed in nutrition when it comes to fiber, complex carbs, and good protein. For about 30 bucks, I can make about a week's worth of these dishes. So I really wanted to share these with you guys, and I hope you enjoy it. But the tilapia is the easiest dish because this is already pre-seasoned and marinated. This is just a really, really simple bowl to get a quick meal in when you're trying to diet and you're feeling hungry. So obviously have your tilapia. If you don't get the pre-seasoned or marinated version, add a little pinch of garlic powder and squeeze half a lemon on that tilapia and you are good to go. We're gonna set the stove at about a medium-high heat. Fish cooks super, super fast, so you don't even need a lid, you just need to put it on for 4 minutes on each side. This is another reason why I love cooking fish for meal prep. It's way easier to prepare and seasoning and way faster on the stove. If you really want to save some time and just make the process easier, especially if you're dieting and meal prepping, definitely get yourself some minute rice. Each bag just takes 1 cup of water. All you do is cook it for 10 minutes in the microwave and you got multiple servings of brown rice. The 10 minutes is up and we are, whew. So just from that 1 bag in 10 minutes, I got 3 meals of rice. And honestly, I could stretch it out to 5 or 6. I think of my body as a machine that needs fuel. Carbs are important and don't be scared of them. We got the tilapia cooked and now it's time for the finishing touches. Now, I know I said this is just a fish and rice bowl, but I also said I love my sauces. So I'm definitely gonna throw my own little splash in there. And you can as well too. 50 calories from a little thing of sauce ain't gonna do that much. I think I'm gonna do a little soy sauce and chipotle mayo mix. I got another serving of that brown rice quinoa, and there's another serving waiting for me in the fridge. So now that we got our little tilapia in our rice bowl, we're gonna put a little bit of soy sauce in there, get a little sushi vibe. And there you have it.